I'm going to teach you how to do a behind the back mandala in under 2.5 minutes. Give the hoop some momentum as you hand it off from your right hand to your left hand behind your back. The hoop will be spinning constantly around your hand in the webbed area between your thumb and index finger. When the hoop is above your head, you will switch hands by placing your right hand inside the hoop with your left hand and removing your left hand so the hoop is only spinning around your right hand. A similar switch happens when the hoop is against your backside. Let's break it down again. The hoop spins in your right hand and you move it to behind your back. Switch off hands and continue the movement around your body until the hoop is above you. Switch hands, then continue moving the hoop in that clockwise direction until it is behind you again, ready to trade off with the left hand. Keep repeating this and see how it goes. Sometimes I will close my hand to slow or stop the hoop and help with the hand switches. Alright, let's switch it up and try the counterclockwise direction. The components of the move remain the same. The hoop is spinning around your hand in the webbed area between your index finger and thumb, and there is a trade-off between your left and right hands whenever the hoop is directly above your head and directly behind your back. Oop, I messed up and decided to run off screen, but now it's transition time. The first is starting with a Z spin and immediately moving into this behind the back mandala move. I actually really like how smooth and seamless this transition is, and of course you gotta try it in both directions. The next transition is to start in an iso turn, and once your back is to the audience, move into a mandala move. I start the isolation turn with 2 hands, then drop one as I move into the behind the back mandala. I hope you learned something new in this video. Check out my tutorials on any of the tricks I mentioned in this video, and they'll be linked below. Bye!